Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bring your static images to life using an amazing online tool called Animated Drawing. Whether you want to make your character dance, jump, or simply walk, this platform has got you covered. Alright, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open up your web browser and head over to the Animated Drawing website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button to kick things off. Once you've landed on the homepage, click on the Upload Photo button to select your desired image. It could be a photo of yourself, a friend, or even a beloved pet. Let your imagination run wild. Fantastic! Now that your image is fully uploaded, click Next to proceed. Now you have to agree with their terms and condition. Click on Agree. This takes us to Step 3, selecting the area where your character is located. Take your time to carefully outline your character using the provided tools. Once you're satisfied, click Next to move on. Step 4 is where the magic happens. The AI will automatically create a mask for your character, but don't worry if it's not perfect. You can fine-tune the selection by using the pencil and eraser buttons. Feel free to add or remove any areas as needed. Once you're satisfied with the mask, click Next. Now, we're at Step 5, and this one is crucial for bringing your character to life. It's time to set the joints. By clicking and dragging, you can position the joints on your character. Think of it as giving them a skeletal structure for smooth movement. Once you've finished setting the joints, click Next. We're almost there. Step 6 is where the real fun begins. You get to choose an animation from the extensive list provided by Animated Drawing. Whether you want your character to bust some moves, do funny gestures, or even take a leisurely stroll, there's an animation for every occasion. Your character is now animated. Wasn't that incredible? The possibilities are truly endless with Animated Drawing. You can create personalized videos, spice up your social media content, or simply enjoy the creative process. And just like that, you've brought your character to life. Now, to save your masterpiece, click the Zoom button and select Download to save your animation to your device. Wasn't that incredibly quick and fun? With this free AI tool, you can motivate your kids by bringing their drawings to life or create captivating animations for your content creation endeavors. If you liked the video, then give thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.